Road trip, motherfuckers! We're heading down to New Haven, Connecticut.
It's not New Haven, but
basically. Waterford, Connecticut. And we're going to check out the legend.
My legend.
The legendary KTX 200. Rahdo's favorite bike. So this is what he really wants. And yeah. Why do you love it, man?
Because it's the most versatile motherfucker off-road for a two-stroke. It's got four-stroke power. Without the cost of four-stroke power.
No top end, but he likes low-end power, so...
This one should have top end with that big old pipe.
I figure if you... I don't know, man. I feel like you should just get a four-stroke.
That will all be decided. The four-stroke costs so much money to repair.
Yeah, repair cost is a lot.
Those new bikes are throwaway items. All the new four-strokers. Junk. Seems the 450s and everything, they just pop immediately. 40 to 60 hours, like, nah. I know KTXs that haven't been rebuilt in 13 years, so hopefully we luck out on this one.
And my KTX 80, like, I don't know, the thing seems pretty indestructible.
That thing's been through a hell with broken sprocket teeth and shit. A lot of weight that shouldn't be on it, pulling along. Just thought it was the chain stretching, but nope, apparently we're shaving those teeth right off.
I ordered that freaking new sprocket for the RM, but it like just shipped. I ordered it like a week and a half ago.
Yeah, I know. Like eBay, Amazon, all of them have all been shitty for shipping.
No, I got it through Suzuki Parts House.
Weird. It just seems like everybody's slow on shipping everything lately.
Babbitt's online. They have like all the Suzuki parts. I don't know. They have everything, but they ship slow, I guess. So we're down in Connecticut. We are approaching. We got about 25 minutes left, so we should be there soon. Hopefully this bike turns out to be
Chop top.
What this guy says it is, you know.
That roof is chopped mad, dude, on that truck.
I think it's sweet.
It's a bit of paint job.
Oh, that thing's cool. It's like tubbed out in the rear too.
You scared to admit it, you won't spit it on this motherfucking mic. Cause I was right, smack your ass like a freaking guy. And I don't care if you get offended, I never pretended. Just rock this microphone beef, you wanna start it now or end it.
We're waiting for this guy to show up. We're at the fire station. I guess he's a firefighter. So he brings a big hose.
Hope he brings all the hose, so it's what you're supposed to say. Hope he brings all them hose. He's 15 minutes late. We thought we were gonna be late. The fuck.
Yo, where my dogs at? Yo, where my frogs at? In the house. It really doesn't matter cause I still turn it out. When I step in this mic, smacking your spouse. Haha, the illest MC to come off the top. When I get this drum off, you'll stretch. Give me a break, let me catch my freaking breath. And to the death, bust rhymes till there's none left. I want it for theft and robbery.
Pussy.
It's funny you took the time to tell us that.
I was like, come on, wheelie, wheelie. So we looked at the bike. Kid wouldn't let me record, but ran like shit. Wanted 1650 for a bike that power valve didn't sound right. The kips weren't really making their normal sound, and it wasn't hitting power band the way it was supposed to. It just was breaking up.
Breaking up in first, second.
Tried to get him down to 1300. He wouldn't do it. Lowest he would come is 14. So that was a wasted hour-and-a-half trip. So we just saw this place. We're gonna check it out.
MOTORSPORTS Nation.
4-seater. That thing's sweet.
Fucking touchscreen and everything.
Looks like it has a car motor in it.
Big ass car. Weight for this large, 710cc. That's not that heavy. How was Husky doing it?
That place is pretty cool. A lot of inventory. A lot of stuff. So since today was kind of a bust with the KDX, we're gonna go check out a riding spot that I think I might have found, kind of scout it out. We packed up the bikes, we got those, you know, just in the off chance that we want to ride around and check it out, because I think it's gonna be a lot of ground to cover on foot. But I don't really know the best way to get in this spot, and I don't really know the best parking spot now, so this is a undercover mission here.
So we're at this destination. Looks like there's a gate there. And there's posteds everywhere.
Head northeast on Peterson Road towards Smith Street.
It's not looking chill at all, folks. Lots of yellow.
Dude, there's so many different places, points.
There's a spot right there. You see that?
Pull in?
No. Maybe. Just park on the side of the road. I don't know. I don't think you should unload the bikes if you're gonna do that.
Definitely.
That gate's open, but that gate closes.
No posted signs.
Yeah, come back and the gate's closed. And people
Let's just
looking
walk.
at their window.
Yeah, we're gonna get no trespassing. We're gonna get in trouble. Alright, so today was a bust. Bust on everything. That riding spot turned out to be not chill at all. There's posted signs everywhere. I was really hoping, I saw trails everywhere. I was hoping we could get in there, but everybody at every house could see the dirt bikes in the back, and they're all evil, giving us the evil eye. So, no KDX 200, no new riding spot. So that's the video for today. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.